Tool trolley, tool set with EVA tray. The new tray for tool set is made of EVA material for providing comfortable and nice working environment. The EVA material is featured for PP rigid plate, offering good protection and increasing the use of product life. EVA, it has good softness, non-toxic, antioxidant, resistant to ozone, and the foam board is one-pieced. Our products are conform to the EU regulations. It will not absorb water and oil. Washable. Easy dry. Provide varieties of product combinations. The drawer of tool trolley could follow the next 4 ways to use. There are other sizes of tool trolley drawer. For more information, please visit Kintonic website.